All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. As you can see here, I got the front bumper in. This is a front lip kit splitter for the front of the Tesla Model Y. You can also get this obviously for the Tesla Model 3. Now, this isn't real carbon fiber. This is like a painted carbon fiber, but it sure looks good. Now, it comes in 3 pieces like this. So you'll attach that portion down here and that portion down there. And then there's also screws on the bottom here that you'd want to drill into the bumper just to make sure it's secure. Now on the video on EVBASE, they don't show drilling into the bumper, but I suggest that you do because this probably could come off. You can see the marks here that are pre-drilled for it. I don't know if I trust just the adhesive. I think it probably would come off. But you do get more adhesive. Obviously, they give you more adhesive. And then you get the screws. And then you're going to need this because you need to clean the area with alcohol wipes first. And then your bumper. And then use this to help adhere. And then you get some of these clips here. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and install this thing, man. And I think it looks really, really good. Affordable splitter for the front to make your car look completely different. And I like the fact that it's carbon fiber, the look of carbon fiber. I'll be adding more to the car, stay locked. But first, let's get this installed. Got to get it secured around here. Make sure it's even. So it sits back just a little bit from here. Once I get it all the way up forward, it'll push forward like that. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so here is the reveal of the front bumper. It looks really good. As you can see here, this is held on with lots of adhesive and 4 screws on the bottom. Then there's also 4 clips down here on the front. I didn't put those clips in. I'm going to go ahead and do self-tap screws. But this is what it looks like down here on this side right here. I think it brings the car to life. Pardon the wind if you hear a lot of wind. Look at that. And it just goes to show, like, you can add a few things to a car and it really will make it look a lot better. Here's a side profile. Looks a lot more aggressive. I think it looks good. And it goes hand in hand with the spoiler back here on the back. Right here. Looks really nice. Side profile on this thing is coming along. I've got a couple of more things to put on it, and I can't wait to share it with you. Some more carbon fiber parts before we do some major enhancements. Look at that view right there, though. I just think this splitter makes the car come to life. Look at that. Wow. So obviously, if you hit the link in the description, you can find this splitter at EVBASE. It doesn't cost a lot. And again, it's not the real carbon fiber version of it. If you wanted to save a little money, you could get this version. It looks exactly like the real carbon fiber version. I can't really tell the difference. Obviously, the real carbon fiber, like the spoiler, was really nice. But this basically is just painted. So it looks really nice. That looks way better than I thought it would. Some of them have like an extended lip on the bottom and the front right here. And this one doesn't. And I'm glad because that one just goes on by adhesive. This one goes on by adhesive and screws. That extension part. Wow, that just brings the front end to life. That really does. Get a close-up of it. Check that out. You really couldn't tell that this wasn't real carbon fiber and that it was paint, basically. If you get them side by side and flip it on the reverse side, you'll see, yes, it is carbon fiber on the other one. Good little buddy right there. Hey, buddy. But overall, this is nice. So a few more carbon fiber pieces are on. That's been on for a while. But what do you guys think about the front splitter now? Does it make the car look a little bit more aggressive? I think it does. And if I were to lower this down just an inch or two, it would look really good. But that is something I'm not going to do because this is a daily driver. So you have it, guys. Thanks for joining me in another video. New carbon fiber style splitter is on. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, take care.